Look at you, brave boy. Hi, handsome man. Hello, sweet monkey. Hi, Alexa here from Kitty Charm School with Monkey. So the door curtain seems to be working very well for him because now he is out and about and hanging out in more parts of his room. Big yawn. Yeah. You are so cute. So cute. So sweet. So let's see. How's your food bowl looking? Great. So he ate almost all of his breakfast. Right. And check his weight. So he is up 2 ounces, back up at check-in. So we're very proud of Monkey. Right? You big brave boy. Yeah, you're doing so well. Yeah. All right, kitty man.